So here's the question. You guys are gonna love this one. I need to pour some coffee before I ask that question. Alright, here's the question. I've got a question today. I've got a question. Now, if I get a whole lot of comments from this question, I might not be able to answer them all. But don't be upset if I don't answer your comment. That just means I got a bunch of them. I can guarantee you I read each and every comment. So here's the question. You guys are gonna love this one. I need to pour some coffee before I ask that question. Alright, here's the question. Can someone tell me in the comments, without cussing, swearing, and everything else that goes along with it, and hate mail, can someone tell me in the comments why every time we have a Democrat president, gas prices go up to $5 a gallon? Period. That's the question. Can you leave in my comments why, when a Democrat is in office, gasoline prices go to $5 a gallon and higher this time? Period. Last time we had $5 gas here in the state of Maine, Obama was in office. Well, now the Democrats in office and we got high gas prices. I don't care about too many things in this world, but I do care about having gasoline for my outboard, my snowmobile, my four-wheeler, and my truck. This is a way of life that revolves around gasoline. Are you trying to tell me in a few years I'm going to need an electric outboard? How in the hell am I going to charge an electric outboard for the amount of hours that I hunt and fish out of a boat on rainy, dark, cloudy days? Or I guess here's the other alternative. Is it going to cost $40 a gallon to go fishing? Hey, you dingbats that voted for this crap, we got 2.5, 3 more years of it. How much is gas going to cost in 2 years? Holy cow, I got to cut this one down because I'm going to go off the rail. So have a good cup of coffee. And I do apologize for making this a political video. But I just paid $50 for 10 gallons of gasoline to run this outboard that should have cost me less than 20. A year ago, it would have cost me, let's see, about $7. $7 for 5 gallons. Let's see, no, $10. It was around $2 a gallon, $10. I run the boat out here all day long on that 5 gallons of gas for less than $10. That's why I'm upset. I don't care what goes on. but I do care about gasoline. Hey, I'll see you next week. And have fun in the comments, but do keep it polite, keep it friendly, because this is a family channel. You have a great day.